Hello everyone, my name is Cristiana Solinas and I am the bread and fermentation teacher at the National Bakery School in London. The National Bakery School is the oldest bakery school in the world. Just turned 125 years old last year. Same as you, I'm in lockdown. I stay positive, keep talking to my students, deliver classes, keep myself busy with everything that I like to do here around the house. Something that I really like to do is play music every day because it keeps me company, keeps me busy and happy. What are we gonna do today? I'm gonna show you how to make your own natural yeast. This is what you're gonna need: the container with the lid, a spoon, flour, a little bit of whole wheat medium rye flour, some water and a scale. My choice of flours, bread flour and rye medium. And let's start scaling. So 15 grams of wheat bread flour and 15 grams of medium rye. Then I have water. Put the scale back to 0 and scale 30 grams of water into my flour. Once all is done, I won't use the scale anymore, and with a spoon I'm just going to mix it. This is your day one task. That's all for the day. The only thing that you have to do now is just to take a piece of plastic wrap, put it on top of your container. With the tip of a knife, you poke a few holes so that we have a little bit of air circulation. Choose a spot in your kitchen that is far away from drafts, far away from the direct sunlight, and far away from heat. So a nice, cozy, warm place. This moment, all I can think about is a beach, but he wouldn't like it. So at this point, let's try to find the best spot. For example, the inside of an oven. We leave this in a warm place for 24 hours. So what's happening now? The bacteria that were present in the water and the wild yeast that are present in the flour start to come alive. When 24 hours have gone by, you take your mixture and you start with day 2. You will have to basically refresh your mix with some fresh ingredients. Put it on the scale and you always add 30 grams of flour and 30 grams of water. You stir it, you make sure that the flour is very hydrated. Again, you take your piece of plastic, put it on top. The holes are already there, so I don't need to do it. And move it to the same warm spot. So you repeat this for 6 days. After a couple of days, you're gonna start seeing bubbles. What does it mean? Bacteria are alive. They're eating, digesting, and producing CO2. At the end of your 6th day, this is how your bacteria culture will look. As you can see, there are a few bubbles. Look at the quantity. You can also see bubbles over here. This bacteria culture is really strong. So the difference between whatever we started, it's obvious. At this point, we leave the mix in the usual warm spot for a couple of hours. Then we take a lid. We name our culture. Mine is named James, as you can see. You put the lid on top, but you don't press it, just on top like that. And you transfer it in the fridge. And then you come back here for the next series of videos, and I'm gonna show you how we can use this natural starter. Now it's really strong and ready to go to make bread and other products. I hope that the explanation was clear. We're gonna come back and explaining to you how to make actually bread and a pizza crust with this natural starter. I'm Italian, so if you have any idea of something Italian that you really wanna see, maybe a nice focaccia, make sure you contact me. I hope you had fun. Let me know if you have any questions. Stay safe, keep studying if you're students, keep teaching if you're teachers, keep playing music if you're musicians, or maybe even knit something. Okay, thank you. Bye.